Hi guys, I'm going to teach you the intro of the song More Than Words by Extreme. Nakikita ko siyang nauso ngayon sa TikTok. Let's do it. Alright, so the key is the letter G. And then, ang alam ko, this chord is B over D, sus. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then C9. And then A minor goes to A minor 7. Tapos yung pinky finger nyo, ilagay nyo sa third fret, first string, and then C, and then D, and then D over F sharp, and then goes back to G. So I'm going to play it slowly. Alright, that's how you play the intro. Disclaimer lang, guys, hindi ko alam kung ganun siya kasakto dun sa original, pero that's how I hear it when I'm playing the song More Than Words. And I just learned the song by ear, so I hope guys na mabigyan kayo ng idea on how to play it, so that song. Right? A very beautiful song by the band Extreme. Thank you.